Adults only.
The silhouette of Bob.
Only.
I'm hiding behind you guys. Just know that.
I'll take the brunt of that.
Oh,
Yeah.
I'm already half flaming.
God, I don't even have my
This
glasses.
one apparently is dead.
That ain't good. It didn't work at all.
It's the lighter.
All right.
Actually, really nice out.
Adults only. For
Do they
America.
have ones for children?
Oh my god.
That was neat.
That was neat.
I didn't expect it to do that.
I tried to get further away to see it better, and it just ran right into the fucking line of fire. This is
I'm just
Afghanistan.
imagining like a Michael Jackson scene where his hair just ignites in flames and I'm kind of terrified. Will he start dancing? Will he That was awesome. That was even better.
Aren't they supposed to be like 98 things?
This one will be.
Oh! What do you mean 98 things?
98.
It's gonna pop 98 times?
98.
What?
She's like running down the
98.
street.
All right, here it goes.
Well, the 98 answers my...
Well, that was not 96.
Definitely not.
Bob, you were so close to that.
At least 35.
I don't like seeing you illuminated in neon colors.
I do.
I don't. That hair's liable to start a grease fire.
You okay? I'm happy I don't have PTSD. Is the thing you're happy about?
Take that, Scranton.
That's great. Veterans. I like the really relaxing music mixed with the fireworks. It's a good combination.
Some nice soul music, yeah.
Nobody's gonna fall for that music. Oh. Oh. Is that a little cute one? Oh, that was better. That was better.
Definitely not 96.
No.
More than the other one, I think.
Like 10 more than the other one.
Fucking rain is on my
Oh, no.
thing.
Don't let everyone get butt.
We're good.
Would you like to use my phone?
Oh.
No, it's alright, thanks.
Did you get these from that new store in McDonald's? Did you see that? The one in Dixon
No.
City? It turned into a fireworks store. The McDonald's in Dixon City?
Oh, is it Bulldog Fireworks?
I don't know, but it's
Is that
right
the
across from Viewmont Diner. It's like fireworks!
Is that where you got your fireworks?
We got them at a location in Music, but it's the same chain.
Oh,
No,
yeah.
is it okay? I'm literally deeply afraid.
How many more do you have?
He's got a bag of works.